This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Apparel. Apple.com using the Apple ID slated for deletion. This step authenticates you and unlocks controls. Once signed in, make sure you have your trusted device or recovery key to complete verification. It prevents delays. Then navigate directly to privacy or data and privacy because the delete request lives there. You're doing this now to intercept the deletion timeline. Acting quickly raises the chance Apple will let you cancel before permanent removal. Once in the right section, look for the explicit Cancel Your Account Deletion control. Apple places it within the Active Deletion Request area. You'll need to verify identity again, accept the prompt on your trusted device, enter the code sent by SMS, or input your recovery key. This proves you're the owner. After verification, choose Cancel Deletion and follow on-screen confirmations. Make sure to open your email afterward, because Apple will send a confirmation that the deletion was stopped and your account remains active. You finish by confirming that cancellation worked. Sign out and back into iCloud on a device or visit Apple.com to verify account status. This ensures services restore. If you can't cancel because the request already processed or verification failed, contact Apple support immediately and provide proof of identity. This is the direct escalation path. Finally, update your trusted devices and recovery methods to prevent future deletion attempts. Proactive recovery setup reduces friction and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.